I'm Professor Esther Dillard with another Keep It Simple tutorial, and today I'm going to talk about recording your script in iMovie. You'll be surprised that you should not actually record it as an audio file, and I'll tell you why coming up. If you want to record a voiceover and you want to use it in iMovie and you want to manipulate that voiceover to cut it and place it anywhere in the project, my suggestion is do not record an audio file. I say do not record an audio file. The reason being is that iMovie will move that audio file to the beginning of your piece and not let you move it at all. It won't let you do anything but trim it or cut it. And you can't manipulate that audio anywhere in the anywhere in the interface. What you want to do is to record a video of your audio. And you do that in the camera icon. And you select camera instead of voice memos. Do that. And of course, you select video, press the record button, read your script. Once you're done, hit the stop button, and you will have a video file of your audio. Then select iMovie. I'm going to move my time indicator past a certain point where I want the actual voiceover to start. And I'm going to select the plus button. I'm going to select video. And then I'm going to select all. And I'm going to select the actual voiceover that I recorded a little while ago. I'm going to hit the plus button. It is a black screen that's recorded with audio on it. And all I did was just take the camera, cover it, and record my script. And that's how I did it. Now I want to split the audio. I select that audio file. It says split, detach, and duplicate. In other words, I am not going to split it. I'm going to detach the audio. Select detach audio, and this is what you get. Now on the bottom, you'll see that what audio waveform is actually my audio of what I recorded, and above it is just black. It is just something that I can use as a template or space that I can cut into pieces in coordinates with the audio and replace each of those small pieces with a picture or with video to cover it up with. And that makes it work in iMovie. Other than that, your audio, if you record an audio file, you'll import it and it will go to the beginning of your project and you won't be able to move it at all. So let's just do a quick edit of a couple pieces so that you understand how to do it. If you have a transition before a video that is audio, it's going to move that audio kind of cockeyed off the black. And how you fix that is by going to the transition point, selecting that transition, and select none. That will move your audio as close to the black as possible, and then you can begin editing like you want to. And I'm going to listen to the audio, and I'm going to select spaces where I want the video to change. And then when I'm done, I will select the audio and do the very same thing in the audio space, and then we'll go from there. Number one, plan ahead. And I'm talking 6 months ahead at the very least. 8 to 10 months ahead if you want better choices for sit-down restaurants or indoor activities. I select the black video and then I split it. And I'm going to do the same thing to the audio. Ahead if you want better choices for sit-down restaurants or indoor activities. I hope that after watching that short editing session that you understand what I did, and that you can see that I basically stopped the plate at the places where I want the picture to change. And each one of these blocks that I'm touching, I'm going to change to either text on the screen or photos or video. The first one I'm going to put text, the second one I'm going to put video, third one video, I think fourth one text, and so on and so forth. We're going to talk about how to put in your text and replace video on the timeline with your audio in the next video.
Well, that's all for now, and if this video helped you, please like my video as well as subscribe to it down below. I'll see you the next time.